Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate Messenger account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Messenger. Once you open Messenger, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to scroll down until you find an option of account settings. Click on that option. Once you click on that option, you are on the settings section of the Facebook, and here you need to scroll down, and here you can see the option in your information, account ownership and control. Click on that option, and then you need to click on the second option, deactivation and deletion. Once you click on that option, you can see that continue to Facebook account deactivation and deletion in the bottom, and then you need to click on deactivate your account is temporarily. Then you need to continue to account deletion, and here you need to put your password. So let me enter my password here for that. If okay, and then here you need to select the reason and click on continue, and here you do you want to log out. If you want, so here you can see reactive your account, so you can select days whenever you want. So this is a process by which you can temporarily deactivate Messenger account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.